I survived on only Bitcoin for 24 hours. Welcome to Ghost Wallet. My bank app just locked me out. My wallet's as empty as a gas station burrito, and the only thing in my pocket is my phone with one Lightning wallet. If a merchant won't take SATs, I don't eat, ride, or drink for the next 24 hours. Think the future of money can keep me alive? Let's find out. Section 1. The first fail. 7 a.m. caffeine headache is real. I duck into the nearest coffee shop, scan the counter. No, Bitcoin welcome, sticker. I ask the barista. She laughs like I just ordered a unicorn latte. CoinMap insists 3 cafes within a mile love crypto. First stop. Plywood City, closed for renovations. Second stop. Oh, we turned that off last year. Nobody used it. Third stop. Lightning terminals busted. I'm 0 for 3 and still decaf. Section 2. Breakfast via Lightning. Google whispers about a smoothie kiosk in the park that takes Lightning. I jog over, order the small mango, scan the QR. Invoice expired. Kiosk tablet lost Wi-Fi. We reboot. I bump the fee to 2 SATs, and boom, cleared in a blink. Cashier blinks back like I just paid with magic. Breakfast saved, hype restored. Section 3. The midday gift card hack. 11 a.m. stomach growls. Uber Eats doesn't speak Satoshi, but BitPay sells gift cards. I swap $20 of BTC, lose a buck to spread, and Pad Thai shows up half an hour later. Cheating? Maybe. But most crypto purchases still sneak in through gift cards. Total damage, 4.5%. My debit card's cashback never looked so sexy. Section 4. Transport trouble. Need to cross town. Metro tap to pay? Fiat only. Lyft? Zero crypto toggle. I find a crypto rideshare. Closest driver is 47 minutes away and probably still asleep. Plan B. Buy a Target gift card with BTC, trade that for a $25 e-scooter card, and scoot 10 miles. Cost: $28 for a ride that usually sets me back $12. My thighs are on fire and so is my budget. Section 5. The midpoint. Win. Friend drags me to a burger joint that tweeted, "We take Lightning." We walk in, scan, and the receipt prints faster than I can say, "Double cheese. Burger, fries, root beer, 42 KSATs, about $11. Manager shrugs. Only 5 customers a week pay in crypto, but they all leave 5-star reviews. Word of mouth beats a billboard. Section 6. The afternoon slump. Snack attack hits. Vending machine? Cash only. Corner store? ATM covered in sticky buttons. I open a peer-to-peer app, ping a local seller, swap $5 of BTC for a crisp $5 via dead drop under a park bench. Feels like espionage, tastes like Twix and paranoia. Section 7. The big climax. Night falls, phone at 9%, rain starts. I try Travala, crypto-friendly hotel, but the confirmation email takes geological ages and my battery's gasping. Last second save. I duck into a mall, hijack a hallway outlet, and use Bitrefill to buy Uber credit with Lightning. 3 minutes later I'm in a warm car heading home. Drenched, exhausted, mission intact. Section 8. The morning after I wake up, tally the damage. Roughly 2.1 million SATs gone, about $79. Normal day? Maybe $55. Extra time lost hunting for crypto-friendly vendors, 2 hours. Times I nearly bailed and whipped out the emergency card, 4. Moral of the story: hunger plus cryptography equals Sudoku for your stomach. Conclusion and AMP. CTA. So can you live on Bitcoin alone? Technically yes, if you enjoy treasure hunts with growling intestines. Lightning is lightning fast when merchants flip the switch, but adoption's still a patchwork quilt. Until your bus, vending machine, and corner store all speak Satoshi, Keep a backup card, or at least a protein bar, in your pocket. Want more real-world crypto chaos? Smash subscribe, tell me which coin I should torture myself with next, and share this with a friend who still thinks Bitcoin is just for apes and lasers.